Our bowels are much misunderstood and rarely talked about, yet they play such an important role in our health and well-being. Around 1 million people in the UK have a serious bowel disease. For example, it could be bowel cancer, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. 1 in 20 people will develop bowel cancer. It's the second most common cause of cancer death in the UK. Bowel incontinence is an inability to control bowel movements. 1 in 10 people will be affected by it at some point in their lifetime. Unfortunately, we're not making much progress in treating bowel disease. We certainly like to talk about what goes into our bowels, but not enough of us want to talk about bowel disease itself. One of the main issues is that no one can quite decide what we should talk about. Surgeons, researchers, and people affected have different ideas about what the priority research areas are, and it's delaying new treatments. The Bowel Disease Research Foundation have decided to try something new. It's called the Delphi Project. The project brought patients together with surgeons, researchers and charities for a single purpose: to identify the highest priority areas in bowel disease research. The project began with an extensive survey of the Association of Coloproctology of Great Britain and Ireland. Its members generated over 500 key research questions, which were then whittled down to just 25. To explore these questions, the Bowel Disease Research Foundation appointed Delphi champions. The champions worked together to agree approaches to the most common and pressing problems. The project also carried out the largest survey of patient attitudes ever conducted in bowel research. And let's not forget the Delphi Games, which was a bit like the Research Olympics for bowel disease. Patients, surgeons, researchers and charities workshopped the design of the top 25 Delphi questions. We now have a set of research projects that have been selected and shaped by people from across the bowel disease research community. So really, the journey's just begun. We need your help to bring these life-changing research projects to life. We are inviting businesses of all shapes and sizes to partner with us to help combat bowel disease. You can also help the Bowel Disease Research Foundation by making a donation to support potentially life-saving research. Visit www.bdrf.org.uk to donate or to find out how your business can get involved. So, it's over to you. And you. In fact, it's over to all of us. It's time to start answering those questions.